Welcome dear students to another exercise on understanding shapes. So today we are beginning with exercise 16b. So in this particular exercise, the formula which you have already noted down in the earlier session also. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular formula. Now what is this formula? This formula is calculating each interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, so remember, in a regular polygon what happens is all the sides will be equal to each other. All right, so that's the only difference between a regular polygon and any other normal polygon. Okay, so regular polygon means all the sides will be equal. So if all the sides are equal, then the all sides, or rather the all angles, okay, each interior angle will be equal. Okay, so every interior angle will be equal to each other in case of regular polygon. So I'm going to make use of this particular formula. Please make a note of it. Okay, now without further delay, let's see the first question. So first question, I'm taking question number 2, sub number 1, which says find the number of sides in a regular polygon if its interior angle is 160 degree. Okay, so basically I don't know how many sides are there, so I'm considering number of sides to be n. Now it is given that each interior angle is 160, right? And as we know that the formula for calculating each interior angle is n minus 2 into 180 whole divided by n, which can be written in this fashion also, right? Okay, so each interior angle formula gives you this one, and each interior angle is equals to 160 degree, as you all know. All right, now from here you need to calculate the value of n. Okay, so let's multiply first. So 180 into n is 180n, minus 2 into 180 is 360, n into 160 is 160n. So bring this out here and take this 360 over there, so you get this one, right? So 180 minus 160 gives you 20n is equals to 360. So bring this 20 to the denominator, you get your answer to be 18. So what is the number of sides of the regular polygon? It is 18. I hope this thing is clear to you. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so it's a similar kind of problem. Here you have been given that each interior angle is 1 and 1 by 5 of a right angle. So let me take the number of sides to be n, and each interior angle is given to be this much. Now how much is this? This is, okay, so if you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, it becomes 6 by 5, right? And right angles means 90 degree. Okay, so that means when you cancel 5 and 90 and simplify, you get 108, which means that the value of each interior angle is 108 degree. Okay, so you know the formula for calculating each interior angle is this one. So again, as usual, we'll find the value of n. So let's multiply. So n into 180 is 180n, minus 2 into 180 is 360. So this n and 108 gets multiplied and you get 108n. So let's do the same as we have done in the earlier problem. So find the value of n, which turns out to be 5. That means in a regular polygon with 5 sides, the value of each interior angle will be 108 degree, which is 1 and 1 by 5 of right angles. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's take the third question, third sub number 1. So here you need to find the number of sides in a polygon if its exterior angle is 1 by 3 of right angle. Now be careful with this. Now exterior angle is given to you 1 by 3 of a right angle triangle, right angle, which is 30 degree, right? Now I'm considering the number of sides to be n. Okay, now you know, see, in fact you have seen in earlier exercise that how much ever is the number of sides, the sum of all the exterior angle will be 360 degree, isn't it? Now in case of regular polygon, what I told you was sides are equal, interior angles are equal, right? And similarly, each exterior angle will also be equal to each other. Okay, now you know number of sides are n. That means how many exterior angles are there? Obviously there will be n exterior angles, isn't it? If there are n angles, then there will be, if there are n sides, then there will be n interior angles and n exterior angle. So you know the total of exterior angle is 360 and there are n exterior angle. So what will be the value of one exterior angle? It will be 360 degree total of exterior angle divided by number of exterior angle. So this gives you value of one exterior angle, which is nothing but 30 degree as per the question. So from here, if you calculate the value of n, it turns out to be 12. That means the value, or rather the number of sides in such a polygon where each exterior angle is 30 degree is 12. Okay, so there are 12 sides. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so again, it's a similar kind of question. So question says, is it possible to have a regular polygon whose interior angle is 170 degree? So if you remember, we have already seen this kind of question in exercise 16a. Okay, but so what do we need to do here is we will find the number of sides, okay, that is n. If it turns out to be whole number, then it is possible, but if the value of n turns out to be fractions, then such polygon is not possible. So let me take the number of sides to be n here. Okay, so it is given that each interior angle is 170 degree, and we know that the formula for each interior angle is this one. So from here we'll calculate the value of n. Okay, so as usual, so when you calculate the value of n, it is turning out to be 36. Now, is 36 a whole number? Yes, right? So that's why it is a whole number. Means what? If the value of n is a whole number, that means we can proudly say that we can have a regular polygon whose one interior angle or each interior angle measures 170 degree. Okay, I hope so today's problem was quite easy and understandable. So with that assumption, I give you these homework. Okay, so you will do these homework and send the same to me. Thank you very much.